Guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I want to talk to you about two of my favorite press powder that I've been using. The one that is from Milani, and this one is their compact powder, and this is in the shade Warm 109, and this one is from MAC, and this is in the shade NW45. Now these two powders are my absolutely favorite, I must say. I do enjoy them both. They work well, they work just the same, but I mean, I don't know, this one from MAC is way more costly than this one. I will definitely leave the price to both down in my description box below, but I know I paid way more on the MAC website for this particular press powder, and this one from Milani I paid way less. But these though, I mean, these work super good. I don't know which one to choose. I mean, it's just, this is definitely a dupe for this one. So if you don't have this one, or this one is too costly for you, I will definitely recommend that you get this one, because this one works just the same, pretty much, well, just the same. I do enjoy both of them, but I will definitely have to choose. No, I love the MAC. Let me first talk about how much I love this product. This product though, I mean, you see, it have no kickback when you swipe it. It's just like super creamy, and this can wear all by itself. So if you're not wearing foundation, if you're not wearing anything at all, you can definitely put on this and get a definitely full coverage with this. Same goes for this one, but I will definitely have to be choosing today. Now, as I said, this one is great, super expensive compared to this one, I must say. But let's talk about my baby, this Milani compact powder. Now, I've been using this around a year, about 1 year, yeah, 1 year now, and I keep repurchasing it, and I am just loving it. The coverage though, as I said, the coverage on both is super matte, super full coverage, yeah. So this full coverage, I must say, boo-boo. I must say, this one though, I really love this one. This one, I will definitely give this one the run for my MAC, because it is super inexpensive, and I will not stop purchasing these. The quality on this is super good, so I will definitely say this is a dupe for the MAC NW45 in the MAC Studio Fix press powder. So I would say this one is a dupe, and yeah, I will definitely choose this one over this one. But if you're interested in the MAC Studio Fix press powders and you're not able to afford it, I will definitely say go for the Milani compact powder, and yeah, I will give this one the run for the MAC.